With the advancement of skincare services, the potential for classroom and clinic accidents is growing. That's why Associated Skincare Professionals provides insurance as one of our many member benefits for schools and students. You might be thinking, our school has insurance, so our students are covered. But a blanket policy may not cover students named individually in a claim or lawsuit. Student insurance should be an essential component in your student kit, along with your skincare products and training tools. For just $15 per student, you can provide student protection during school-sponsored activities and lower your school's risk. When you protect your students with ASCP student membership and insurance, you'll automatically become an ASCP Premier School member. This membership includes educational support resources, including the ASCP Reducing Risk program. The Reducing Risk presentation and accompanying curriculum helps put some perspective around what might happen both in the clinic and when your graduates are out in the professional world. Help them reduce risk and be prepared in case an accident occurs. Hear stories about real-life mishaps in the treatment room, pulled from our own files, and find out how they could have been prevented. Deepen your students' learning with classroom discussions, case studies, and quiz questions to reinforce the information. They'll learn the 3 types of liability insurance needed in the beauty industry to be truly protected, the steps to take if a client is injured, and ways to reduce risk for themselves and their clients. Accidents happen. Make sure your students are prepared for whatever life throws at them and that they have the support they need to ensure it's just a bump in the road. Log in now to take advantage of the Reducing Risk presentation and curriculum. Not a member? Reach out to our school liaisons for more information about all the benefits we offer schools and students at education@ascpskincare.com.